Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and I am excited about today's video because I am here to tell you about Double Dip's bingo game. That's right. Now if you're not familiar with Double Dip, I did do a video review of their products. They are a Texas or US based company out of Texas, so their products are US made. They focus on or I should say the dip powders in beautiful colors. Now if you missed that video, I'm gonna go ahead and have it linked below, but what I have here for this promotion to let you know about the game that they're playing, they sent me 3 new samples of 3 new colors that I have swatched for you guys, so you get to see how beautiful these colors are. And these jars are smaller. These are only 0.5 ounces. They do have the full-size jars that I used, that they sent me on the original video if you have a professional salon, but these are just as good. I mean, it's the same quality powder, and then you can, for those that like to do this at home, and I will show you the names of these colors that I have and the swatches that I did right here. So, but let me first start with the bingo game. Yes, who doesn't like to play bingo? This is going to be a lot of fun, guys. So let me start out first by telling you when the game is. Okay, so the game is going to be July 20th. July 20th is when the game will be on Facebook, their Facebook group, and I am going to have that link down at the description bar below. So you will want to join their game, join their Facebook group, so you can join in on the bingo game. However, as you all know, if any of you have played the bingo game before, you gotta have one of these cards, right? You gotta have your bingo card. Now I'm going to tell you how you get these cards and how you go about how the game is gonna take place. Okay, so today, I say, because it actually started on the 4th, between today and July 18th, any purchase that you make out of their website with a minimum of $15, that's how you get one of these cards. Okay, you get the bingo card when you make a purchase off of their website of at least $15. Now, as you know, many of those bingo players, mostly they like to have multiple cards, so I'm going to tell you how to get multiple cards. So if you want to get multiple cards, let's say if you make a purchase, let's say between $15 to $49, that gives you one card. If your purchase is under $49. If your purchase is over $50, between $50 and $99, then you get 2 cards, and so on and so forth. So every $50 over your original price, if that makes sense, then it earns you extra cards. So yes, so as now you know, the minimum that you will need to spend is $15 on their website between today and July 18th to get the card, so that you can play on the 20th. But you have to be on the Facebook group. Now, so these are, and what do you win? Wait until I tell you. Yeah, here it is. $2,000 worth of dip powders, guys. Isn't that wonderful? Oh my gosh, when I saw this, I was like, what in the world is that? Did they miss type 10? No, it is $2,000 US worth of powdered products, and they have beautiful powders, and they have all the liquids, everything that you need for your dip powder manicure. Okay, so other details about the game that's going to go on the 20th. Yes, so what they will do, they will announce the 5 colors. As you know, you got to have the five connecting colors, when you play bingo, whether it's, diagonal, horizontal, or what have you. You got to have if you match the 5 colors, that will make you a winner. Let's see, and the winner with all the lucky colors will redeem their prize on their website. Now, to join them, when you get this card, it will also have the QR code that's going to take you directly to their Facebook page. And also, this has a nice thank you code. It says thank you 20 for 20% off your next purchase, or each one of these have it. That will be nice. So these cards, they're all going to be different, obviously, and so these have not just the pictures of the colors, but it also has the names of the colors. None of the 3 that I have here happen to be on my card. This is a card that they sent me, so I'm going to play along. This is my first card. Now let me show you the powders that I have here. Okay, so the first one that I have is this white one, and the name of it is Holly Confidence, right there, 633. Very pretty powder. And here's the swatch right here. I've already put this on tips, just a pure white. This is 2 coats of this color. Let's put it right here with the white. And then this beautiful glitter. The name of it is Naughty or Nice, 1357. There it is. Gorgeous pink chunky glitter. Again, this is 2 coats, and they are all finished with the top coats, with the dip powder top coat. And then last but not least is this green one. This is Sacramento 513. There it is right there. And it looks like, it looks grainy, so it has some micro glitter in there that you only see them shimmer. There's silver micro glitter that you see them shimmer, they shimmer under the light. Beautiful colors. So here are the sample swatches for these 3 colors that I have that they sent me. Again, this was mostly to promote their bingo game. This is going to be fun. Oh my gosh, $2,000 worth of powder product. I don't even currently have that much myself, but here it is, guys. Any questions about this, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Remember that all the links will be down in the description bar below. I would like to thank Double Dip for sending me this beautiful set and to help them with their promotion and let you guys know about it to play in this fun game. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.